What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy King's Life, checking in with a new video, man. So today's video, guys, I remember I told y'all that I was gonna change the exhaust back out on the Crossfire. That's what we about to do, man, because that drone, I gotta get rid of that drone, guys. So that's what we're finna do, man. Waiting on the guys to finish up with one of my buddy's cars, and yeah, man, get that taken off, put the factory one back on. That's the best thing about having your factory stuff, man. Make sure y'all keep y'all factory stuff, man, because you just never know. Like if y'all don't like y'all exhaust note anymore, y'all can put it back to stock and get a better sound out of, you know, the exhaust. But yeah, man, we finna get rid of that drone. My buddy, he's getting a Black Widow exhaust changed out on his Hellcat, so I'm gonna let y'all hear that as well on his Hellcat. It's gonna sound real good, I know it is. So y'all just stick around, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. And I appreciate y'all for checking in into the video, man. So just in case if you guys didn't know, I did change the color up on the Crossfire. I went with the yellow and the black. Put the YouTube stickers on there. So this exhaust right here, I got the quad exhaust getting ready to be taken off, guys. I like the look, guys, but all the drone noise and everything is just not what I want now, because I drive this car like an hour away from home for work, so it's bad drone. I gotta get rid of that. But yeah, man, if anybody wants this quad exhaust, let me know, DM me, and I'll give y'all a good price on it. And yeah, we're just gonna get rid of it, man. So check back with y'all in a little bit. Moment of truth, y'all. Oh yeah, that sounds good, man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That sounds good, man. Yeah, that sounds good. And it still got to settle it in too, so that sounds real good. Alright guys, he's coming out with it. Sounds a whole lot better, man. Yes, indeed. Hellcat. Yes, indeed. Got this old school Mustang out here, man. That thing sounds good, y'all. I don't know what year it is, but it sounds good, though. About to mow this joint out real quick. Yeah. Thing sound good, though. It sound good. Move it out right now. Yeah, it sounds real good. Sounds like it's a little project. Alright, y'all, so me next. Get up in here real quick. Get this exhaust off. Yeah, we're gonna pull it in, man. Get this exhaust off, y'all. Don't need it. Heck yeah, man. Taking it off. Time to come off, y'all. It's just annoying with the noise, y'all. Annoying, man. We got my guy, he finna be working on it, so. Look good in this shop, though. Definitely look good in this shop. Alright, y'all. They got it done, man. Going back to factory, y'all. Back to factory. It's gonna sound a whole lot better now. Without that drone and everything. So, let me turn these headlights off. Yeah, it's gonna sound a whole lot better. Gonna drag it out? Okay. We'll start up. Boy, ain't got no sound to that, boy. Heck yeah, man. That's what I wanted, though. No sound at all. Coming out. Heck yeah, man. That's like you don't hear nothing now, boy. It's quiet, huh? Heck yeah, man. My boy got me together, man. What's your name? Ash, man. Y'all come talk to Ash, man. If y'all need to get anything done to your car, man, y'all want to come over here, talk to Ash, man. He gonna get you right, man. But we're finna go pay right now, and we're finna get up out of here. The exhaust.